Here we are again, YouTube. Got a little bit of a different project today. Here we are in my sort of man cave slash workshop when I'm working on RCs and all kinds of good stuff. And I had to call in some reinforcements today because I need a little hand with this little project. So what we're going to do is, you noticed, there's a crib in my man cave. Yep. So, get a nice little crib here for my little one. If you notice, it's a good 2 inches or more right here. So, as you can see, plenty of space there. It fits a leg clear up to a thigh, perfect on a baby that's only 4 months old. So, we looked at the borders that go around this thing, and they're all padded, and you can't see through them. So, where this crib sits at the end of our bed, we can't see her. So we opted out of getting those. But Daddy, being as creative as he is, I got an idea. And I know a way to make this something better to where we're going to see her and she ain't going to get her legs caught in the crib like that no more. So this is what we're going to do. I am going to build a border all the way around the crib, but it's going to be clear. I decided on 1/8 inch thick plexiglass, and it's 10 inches tall, and I got to cut the sizes that I need or whatever. And let's see, I actually got some edge trim from work. Yep, this stuff is made to go on door edges and things like that, and you can see that's basically what it looks like. But on the inside of this stuff, it has an adhesive, so it'll fit right on the 1/8 inch edge perfect. That way, I don't have to worry about her scraping her feet up or legs or whatever, something like that. And what we're going to do is we'll, put a couple holes here, a couple holes here, on not every single one of them, but every other or something like that, and just simply throw some zip ties around it. We got our 2 pieces cut for the sides and 2 pieces cut for the ends, and a good box cutter is is important. So now, really, I guess the only thing you got to do is pretty much put it down in there. Put 2 holes here and 2 holes there. Same thing on this end, and we'll do the same thing on all of them. Now we just got to drill holes. Which is just a little protective layer. You see the holes drilled pretty nice. Alright, this is Automotive door trim and trunk trim, whatever you want to do, trim. It's kind of horseshoe shaped, and it has a strip of adhesive on the inside. And you just simply put this on your edges and you're good to roll. It just simply goes on just like that right there. And you see how it just sticks on there because it has an adhesive on the inside. So see how that looks? A little staticky, some dust and everything sticking to it, but nice smooth edge. Sticks on there real good like that. You see how this looks? Nice and sturdy. It's not loose or nothing like that. Nice smooth edge. We got both sides. Well, both longer sides done, and now all we gotta do is put the ends on, and you see how nice that looks with that edge on there like that. So apparently Bella had a blowout, and it's all up her back, and we're just in here like woo doo 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 doo. We're just chilling. So anyways,
job's done.
We're all done. What do you think of that? That looks pretty good. Nice and sturdy. Nice smooth edge. I mean, it's high enough to where we shouldn't have any problems, and you can see right through it. Alright. So that's good. So where are we? Yep, and there's a Patrick. So from our bed, we'll be able to see her, and she's not going to get her legs and her feet caught in between these boards no more, so be good to roll. Alright, well, that's going to wrap up this video of our little baby crib project. It's called Project Keep the Baby Safe in the Crib to where you can still see her. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. That's okay too.
Everybody's got their opinions.
It is what it is, right? Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. It's hot sausage time. Yeah! Woo!